working on a let's see, waterfall feature for my pond. So let's get to work, and I'll show you what some of the material I have and what I have started already. So come along and let's check it out. So basically I have a lot of things already. This is the liner I'm gonna use. As you can see, I already cut up about a 4x4 liner. That's gonna go over this. So this frame was originally built for my 10-gallon fish tank. So if you stand it up like this, you can see that this is the top right here, and this is the bottom stand. And since I'm not using it, I'm gonna turn it into a water feature sideways like this with the liner on top of it. Here's the liner. Okay, here guys, so I sped up the video a little bit just to speed things up a little bit, but sorry about the shaky of the camera. It's pretty windy out, and when you put it in fast mode, the shaky seems more prevalent. But anyhow, so as you can see, all I'm doing is just stretching out the cover liner and putting it over the frame, staple gun everything all around the corner, just like wrapping a present. But yeah, and here you'll see in a minute it's gonna be all done, and we'll see what's next. Here is the water lander. That but I will have to move it down. Yes. Okay. So I think I will try to make the modifications. This is what I'm planning on. Alright, so what I'm doing here is gonna take apart the staples and pull up the liner. Time to use this paint mesh that I found laying around the garage. We're gonna use to make a spout so the water will come out away from the base and into the kidney pond that I have. So now I'm putting everything back together, and we'll see where it goes from here. Yeah, so when that was ready to give it a test run, I went ahead and set it on top of the rock foundation, measure it, put the water in. Let's see what happens. Alright, here it is. The real test. Let's see if the water should come out right here onto the plants. We're almost there. Let's see what happens. Okay, looks like it's coming up. Where is it gonna go first? Oh, that might be too much of a height. This needs to be higher. That needs to be higher. So come on, let it go, let it go. Oh boy. Oh, failure. So this definitely needs to be higher. So we'll figure out how to do that. Same as here. Okay, back to the drawing table. Alright, so basically I have to take the liner all apart so I could expose the spot where I want the spouts to be lower. Here I'm taking the saw and cutting off the spot where these metal spout's gonna go, and after I chop this off I have to chisel it with a chisel to get those pieces of wood off. Took me a little while, but finally got it out, and from there I will be able to place my metal grid onto the spot. Okay, there's the notch that I was wanting to do. So this is now ready to go. So let's try it again. So yeah, after I got the notch off, I just put the metal grid back into the hole and just, you know, make it a little slant and staple it down. And then I put all the liner back together and staple it down again and tuck it all in and make it look really neat. And then we'll give it another shot. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if I'll go through and fall off like it should. All right, yeah, so let's hope it goes down the slide, which I have to redo earlier. So here it goes. Oh boy, yeah, that works. Yeah, it does. So we got a little gap right here and a little gap over there. So let me give it a little push there to flatten it out. Do it on that side. So there we go. Nice little water feature. Of course, you can't see much on this side because of all the plants, but here it is. Going down that way. I'm sure there's a plant under here. Where is it? There's a plant down there. It's okay. There we go. So there, we have a water feature. So if I move this guy, let's see, this is a water lettuce. I could put him up there. Let him float around. See if we can find another one. Oh, there's a bigger one. There we go. So there we have it. A little water feature. I come down to the other side. It works good. Yeah, not too shabby for a homemade water feature. Well, there you go, guys. I can't really put a price on it because I don't really have a way to go about saying how much it costs, because a lot of the material I already have in hand. So yeah, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Well guys, that is it for today's episode. Come back and check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.